Here's how to get even more life out of your TikTok videos. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargent. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, it's because you're more than likely a local or a small business owner who wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we dive into today's video topic, which is all about how to get more life and leverage out of your TikTok videos, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So this video topic is all about how to get more life out of your videos on TikTok. And I've got to say, TikTok has been very good to me when it comes to starting my new business. I have generated a handful of leads from TikTok. I have locked a handful of clients. I have helped a handful of people, and it's my fastest growing social media platform since implementing a strategy last March. So one way that you can get more life out of your TikTok videos is to download them to your phone and upload them to Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is the third largest search engine. Number one is Google, which makes sense. Number two is YouTube, which is basically Google. And number three is Pinterest. So taking these TikToks from your profile that have really great leverage already, a really great mileage, and upload them to Pinterest with a savvy description and a great strategy can really help you reach even more people. So in a second, I'm going to share with you my computer screen and show you exactly how to do this. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. And there are also a ton of more resources in the description box below. So let me show you. All right, welcome to my second camera, which is actually my laptop. I am now going to record my phone so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to do is choose a TikTok that I would like to upload to Pinterest. I want to choose one that has some great mileage on it. Let's do let's choose this one. All right. Just going to turn that down for a second. So I'm going to download the video, and in case you missed that, I'm actually going to download another one to show you. Let's choose this one. So you're going to hit the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to hit save video. And that is going to download it to your camera roll. So now I'm going to go to Pinterest. And I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to create a pin. And I'm going to choose the video that I just uploaded, which is this one right here. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to choose a cover photo, which is, I like that one because I'm smiling. Hit next. Let's give it a title, Digital Marketing Expert. And the description will say, learn digital marketing from a local business digital marketing expert. For the destination URL, I want to drive traffic to my website. So I'm going to type in my URL here and add link. I'm going to hit next, search some tags. We'll add digital marketing, if that will come up. Nope. Media. We'll add social media. And we'll add entrepreneur. That's a good one. Well, entrepreneur quotes, sure. Hit next. We're going to choose digital marketing tips because that is the board I want to post on. So I think it's still, it's already uploaded. So there, you can see it on my screen right there. Let me show you one more time. So I'm going to add, this is the first one that I actually downloads. We'll hit next. Let's leave that as the cover because I really want people to be able to see the power of search engine optimization. So we'll title it The Power of Search Engine Optimization. Leverage and then we'll add a website, which is going to be my homepage. And once you get it uploaded, you can, go to Pinterest like on your computer and really optimize it that way. For me, I just want to get the material uploaded. So we'll hit next. Let's see if search engine optimization comes up. Oh, wow. Let's see if SEO comes up. Nope. Okay. Do social media. And then we'll do entrepreneur again. Or share quotes, fine. Next, digital marketing tips. And it is uploading. So this will help you really reach more people, and the videos being reviewed. It takes a little bit more time for Pinterest to review the videos. I've had it take like 48 hours before, but oh, here we go, already live. So that is how you will take your TikToks, download them to your phone, upload them to Pinterest, and then once they're uploaded onto Pinterest, you can technically go into Pinterest and optimize them better. But this is a really great way for you to get more mileage out of your TikToks. So I, of course, 10 out of 10 recommend it. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'd love to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.